Hello friends, hope so you're doing well, and in this video we will fix headphone jack not working or earphones not connecting problem on Samsung F23 or Samsung Galaxy F23 5G. So first of all, just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix headphone jack not working or earphones connection problem on your Galaxy F23 or F23 5G, first of all just open settings application and follow every step as I'm showing you in this video to fix this problem.